This video is designed to direct you around the course and show you where to find important information. First, you'll begin on the Start Here page. On this page, you'll find some very important information about how the course runs and what to expect, the first assignments that you'll have due, and you'll also find the Workshare release form to complete. Next, you'll visit the Syllabus and Schedule area. Here, you will find the most recent version of the syllabus, along with a change log indicating what has changed and when. You will also find both a PDF version and an image version of our calendar of assignments for the semester. The next area is the calendar. This calendar shows not only your information from this course, but also any other courses you choose to show from UHCL. Next, you'll find how to reach me. Please note that I do include a phone number, but I do not answer phone calls at this number if I'm not expecting them. Please always text first, and don't forget to identify which class you're in and who you are. When texting, emailing, or anything else, please do remember to keep it professional and address all professors by their last name unless you are invited to do otherwise. The next area is where you can find a little more information about me and my family, my journey in education, and some other things I'm interested in. You'll make a similar introduction yourself down here at Class Introductions. Click into the area, click on Introduce Yourself, and create a thread so that everyone can get to know who you are. The next area you'll see is the Workshare area. This is where students can choose to upload their work to share with other students so that you might be able to have some community and some feedback on the work you're doing. This may include work from previous classes, not just our current class. The next area you'll find is non-project assignments. This is where you'll find information on things that are not singly named and individually graded. These things all go into one single bucket and make up 10% of your grade. In each folder for an assignment, you'll find a project explanation video, the learning objectives, what you might want to read over to make sure that you understand, some resources, some errors I've seen in the past corrected, some prior student work samples, and of course, the instructions for the assignment itself. Please be sure that you read everything incredibly carefully so that you don't miss any fine details that could cost points on your grade. Each of our major named assignments will have its own area. We do one for work search, newsletter, instructions, memo, and a proposal. The proposal will also serve as your final exam in this class. Following these areas, you will find where you go to submit every assignment in this class. Please note that if an assignment is not showing up here, you may not submit it. Every assignment will be submitted in this area. The next area you'll find is Grades, where you can click in and look at each individual assignment. Once it's graded, you should be able to click on the title of the assignment and go to that assignment itself to see the feedback that I've left for you on your work. You'll also find an area for tips, tricks, and training. This gives you some video instruction on some of the things that you might need to do in class. Please be sure to refer here so that you're not making simple mistakes that are very quick and easy to fix. The next thing you'll find is the UHCL brand guide. This is where you can go to find out which logos you can use for what things, to find downloads for those logos, and of course to find the official color codes for anything you might be doing in the university's name for this class. Next, you'll find proofreading marks. This is where I put a key to sort of how I mark up your work when I do mark it up. And then finally, you'll find the support and help area, which can get you in touch with other people to help you out with Blackboard and other academic support. This concludes our course tour. If you have any questions, please be sure to email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.